Welcome to 8168 Villa Grande Court in Sarasota, Florida. This is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse located in the gated community of Sonoma. One of the first things you will notice when you walk in is the beautiful wood flooring in the main living area. It really creates a sense of warmth and timeless style. The inviting kitchen features granite countertops, a breakfast bar, and lots of natural light that just fills up the room. The screened-in lanai off the living room looks out onto a wooded preserve. It's just so peaceful here and the perfect place to relax, read a book, and unwind from the day. There is also an additional office or den space and a half bath that's perfect for guests. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms, a full bath, a laundry room, and the spacious master suite, which has this great walk-in closet complete with built-in customized organizers. My favorite part of this master bedroom is these gorgeous French doors that lead out to a private screened-in balcony. Another thing clients love about this home is that it has a full-sized 2-car garage. Sonoma is a small gated community located in the popular University Park area of Sarasota. It has a community pool and tennis courts to enjoy, but even more exciting is that you're only minutes away from some of the best shopping and dining that our city has to offer. If you would like more information about this property or to schedule a private tour, please contact us at zarghamigroup.com.